Today we are going to study properties of ratio of area of two triangles. So let A1 and A2 be the areas, B1 and B2 be the bases, and H1 and H2 be the heights of two triangles respectively. Then the first property, if both base and heights of two triangles are different, if both bases and heights of two triangles are different, then ratio of area of two triangles, ratio of area of two triangles, ratio of area of triangle A1 upon A2 is equal to ratio of their product of their base and height, B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Here both base B1 is not equal to B2 and H1 is not equal to H2. First property, if both bases and heights of two triangles are different, then ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. Second property, if bases are same and heights are different, then ratio of area of two triangles A1 upon A2 is equal to ratio of the corresponding length of their corresponding heights H1 upon H2. Here B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is not equal to H2. Triangles with same base but different height, ratio of area of two triangles with same base but different height is equal to ratio of their corresponding length of their corresponding heights. Now third property, if heights are same and bases are different, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding base. Their height is same and bases are different, so ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Next property, fourth one, if heights and bases are same of both the triangles, if height and bases are same of both the triangles, then the ratio A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon 1. Base and height will get cancelled. So B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2. That is, the areas of both the triangles is same. They are equal in area. They are equal in area. Practice set 1.1. First example. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. The base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find ratio of area of two triangles. So let base B1 of first triangle, which is given as 9, and height h1 is equal to 5. Also, the base of another triangle is B2 is 10 and height of another triangle H2 which is given as 6. Find ratio of area of two triangles. You have to find A1 upon A2 is equal to question. Now, these two triangles which are given A1 and A2 has different base. Base is different. B1 and B2. First B1 is 9 and B2 is 10. As well as heights H1 and H2 are also different, 5 and 6. Hence, first property, ratio of area of two triangle by property ratio of areas of two triangles with different base and different height. Your heights are also different. So the first property, ratio of area of two triangles with different base and different height is equal to ratio of the product of their corresponding base into height. So B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Your triangles are with different base and different height. So here B1 is not equal to B2 and H1 is not equal to H2. So ratio A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 9 into H1 5 upon B2 10 into H2 6. Simplify. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. That is 3 into 1 upon 2 into 2, which is equal to 3 upon 2 twos are 4. So A1 upon A2, ratio of area of two triangles with different base and different height is equal to 3 upon 4. Second example, in the given figure, BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is given as 4 units and AD is given as 8 units. Find, you have to find ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area triangle ABD. Now, if you observe the diagram, observe this figure, then both the triangles ABC and triangle ABD, both the triangles have same base AB. So triangles are having same base AB and their heights are different. Here BC is the height of triangle ABC, which is 4 units, and AD is the height of triangle ABD, which is 8 units. So we'll apply the property that with triangles having same base but different height. So ratio of area of triangle with same base and different height is equal to length of their corresponding heights, BC upon AD. triangles with same base AB. Both the triangles have same base AB. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ABD is equal to BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. That is, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ABD is equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are 1 upon 2. Third example, observe the figure. In the diagram, PS is perpendicular to QR and QT is perpendicular to PR. RQ is equal to 6. PS is also 6. PR, this length PR is 12. We have to find length QT. Now if you observe the diagram, then in this figure triangle is same PQR, but one triangle, its base and heights are given into different ways. Triangle PQR, base is QR and height is PS, and again triangle PQR, base is PR and height is QT. So here one triangle, but it has different base and different height. So by property, first property, triangles with different base and different heights. So ratio of area of two triangles, area triangle PQR, same triangle, area triangle again PQR, triangle with different base and different height. First we'll consider base QR into height PS upon again base PR into height QT. Triangles with different base and different height, ratio of area of two triangles with different base and different height is equal to ratio of their product of their corresponding base and height. So base QR, here both the areas, area of triangle PQR same, get cancelled, ratio will be equal to 1 upon 1. QR is equal to 6 into PS is also 6. QR is 6, PS is 6, PR 12 into QT. So therefore, here cross multiply, 12 into QT is equal to 6 into 6. Therefore, QT is equal to 6 into 6. Here 12 is multiplication, so it will jump, here it will get divided. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So QT is equal to 3 units. Example number 4. Observe the figure. AP is perpendicular to BC, which is given. AD is parallel to BC. Find ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area triangle BCD. Now here if you observe these two triangles ABC and triangle BCD, these both the triangles are between these two parallel lines. So draw DQ parallel to DQ perpendicular to BC. Draw DQ. Draw DQ perpendicular to BC. Therefore, the length of perpendicular between two parallel lines are same. These are two parallel lines. So this AP and DQ are two perpendicular. These are equal. AP is equal to DQ. Now, these two triangles ABC and triangle BCD, these two triangles are having same height. And bases are also same. Both are having same base. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle BCD is equal to base BC into height AP upon base BC into height DQ. Now this base is same, BC upon BC. Here DQ height is also equal. Your number 1 from first. So triangles with same base and same height. Triangles with same base and equal height, they are equal in area. Therefore, area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle BCD. Last example. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. First find ratio of area of triangle PQB upon area triangle PBC. Now triangle PQB and triangle PBC, here the base of the triangle PQB is BQ and height is PQ, and triangle PBC, base is BC and height is PQ. So these two triangles are having same height PQ. So ratio of area of two triangles with same height is equal to ratio of length of their corresponding base. So base BQ upon BC. Here triangles with same height PQ. These two triangles are having same height PQ. So ratio is equal to BQ upon BC. Second, find area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. Now triangle PBC, base of the triangle is BC and height is PQ of triangle PBC. And triangle ABC, base is BC, same, and height AD, different. So here two triangles are having same base BC but heights are different. So ratio of area of two triangles with same base, different height is equal to length of their corresponding heights. So here height PQ upon height AD. Reason triangles with same base BC. Third one, find area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADC. Now these two triangles ABC, base is BC and height is AD. And area triangle ADC, base is DC and height is AD. So here height is same. So ratio of area of two triangles with same height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. So base BC upon DC, triangles with same height ED. Now last fourth one, find area triangle ADC upon area triangle PQC. Now PQC, this both the triangles ADC, base is BC, height is AD, PQC, base is QC, height is PQ. So triangles with different base and different height. So ratio of area of two triangles with different base and different height is equal to ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. So base DC into height AD upon base QC into height PQ. Reason triangles with different bases and different height. Triangles with different base and different height is equal to ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. All of you take down all these examples in your notebook.